In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-save company in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard for the correct location or account. Once you're inside the platform, take a look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu, and it's where we'll begin for this setup. From that left side menu, click on Contacts. This will open the Contacts area where you can manage contact records and related settings. If you've never adjusted this option before, don't worry. It's a very quick change once you know where to look. After you're in the contacts section, move your attention to the upper right corner of the page. In that area, you should see the Add Contact button. Next to that button, there's a small three-dot menu. This is easy to miss if you're moving quickly, so take a second to locate it carefully. Click on those three dots to open the Additional Options menu. This menu contains a few extra controls related to how contacts are managed. Once the drop-down appears, click on Settings. That will take you to the Settings panel connected to this part of the contacts section. Now that you're in Settings, look for the Auto Save option. This is the setting that controls whether company information saves automatically as you work. When you find it, simply toggle it on. Once the toggle is enabled, the feature will be active. Turning on autosave can make your workflow smoother because it helps reduce the need for manual saving while you're updating or entering company details. It's especially useful if you're handling multiple records and want to avoid losing changes by accident. If you're working quickly throughout the day, this small setting can save time and make the process feel more seamless. If you don't immediately see the option, just pause for a moment and scan the settings area carefully, since layout updates can sometimes shift where things appear slightly. The important part is that you're opening the contact settings from the three-dot menu next to Add Contact and then enabling the autosave toggle there. And that's it. Once autosave is turned on, you're all set. Gohighlevel will now automatically save company changes based on that setting, helping you work more efficiently inside the platform.